So hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I will be reviewing the duduosun, this particular African black soap, which is called the duduosun or duduosun. Yeah, so I know it's been in the market for ages and in the African skincare community for a long time. So I will be talking about all the ingredients as well as the do's and don'ts while using the product, and a whole lot more you should know or consider before purchasing or while using this beautiful product. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. So hey love, and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Chemela. I'm a skincare enthusiast and a public health lover. So in case you've not started following me on Instagram, please make sure you follow me on Instagram so that I will start, the sooner and the earlier I start producing skincare related content on my Instagram page, the better for all of us on this glow up journey. All right, okay. Now I have a Facebook page too, so make sure you follow my Facebook page. It's also Chemela, so make sure you follow that page. We need to build our community and grow our community so we could share knowledge and ideas together as family and then as also friends. All right, okay. So today's video, like I said in the beginning, I will be reviewing the duduosun or duduosun black soap, however way you want to pronounce it. I believe it's pronounced duduosun. All right, so if you're a Nigerian, shout out to my subscribers that are all Nigerians. Thank you guys so much. You know, this product has been in the African skincare cosmetic shelf for decades now, for a long time, even before I was born. So hold on, let me get the product. I have it here. I don't just want to talk about the product without getting it so that you guys can see. The aroma is just something that I love. It calls you to use it. It gives you this refreshing feeling after bath. So this is the duduosun black soap. It's been repackaged. Because I'm using my front camera, the inscription is kind of like on the left side. So I am going to leave a picture of the former packaging of the product. The product used to have a very transparent space here where you can see through. Well, this is the product. This is their new packaging right now, and this is how it looks like. It's amazing and I love the product. It has no artificial colors, no preservatives, and biodegradable, which is amazing and fantastic. And it was manufactured in Nigeria, like I said initially, by Tropical Naturals Limited. And this is their website, www.duduosun.com. Disclaimer: this video was not sponsored by duduosun. This is just a loving review from a very sweet customer of theirs. Over the years, the product has been something that I have cherished. It's kind of like a go-to anytime I want something that would give me this, you know, aromatherapeutic feeling, because it contains a very nice fragrance in it. Basically, fragrance just makes you feel good when you perceive it. That's just it. All right, so now let me dive right into the ingredients that the manufacturers of this product used. Well, it has palm kernel oil, cocoa pod ash, palm bunch ash, shea butter. It contains lime juice, it contains honey, it contains aloe vera, it contains camwood powder. Looking at the ingredients once again, honey is one fantastic natural element or ingredient the manufacturers used in this product. Honey has antibacterial and antiseptic qualities in it. And then honey is a natural humectant which seals in moisture into the skin, and then at the same time it is very good for acne prone skin. Then it also contains aloe vera. Aloe vera is very rich in antioxidants, and then it also relieves skin of irritation. So if you're on the sensitive skin part, the aloe vera ingredient in this product would help calm your skin down a little. Now, the duduosun black soap contains palm kernel oil in it. So what are the benefits of palm kernel oil in skincare? Now, palm kernel oil prevents transdermal water loss in the skin, and it's also very rich in vitamin E. It helps in sagging and wrinkled skin. A lot of people have used the duduosun, this particular African black soap. If you go to Amazon, trust me, you'll see a whole lot of positive reviews and then quite a few negative reviews on the product. Yes, it's there. Like I said before, or like I always say, if something works for me, most times it doesn't mean it's going to work for everybody. Skin types differ. The kind of products you're combining, your lotions and your serums while using this product also matters. So now, if you're using this product and you have a very sensitive skin, please make sure you don't use any other alpha hydroxy acid. Lime is an AHA. You don't need to combine any of the alpha hydroxy acid while using this product. You just need good moisturizing lotions and serums, something that contains dimethicone like CeraVe for the product. Okay, let's talk about the don'ts while using this product. You should use this product at night. Do not use during the day. If you need my candid advice, I prefer using this product at night. If you use AHA products wrongly, you could hyperpigment easily, especially if you get burning or stinging sensation while on any product that contains AHA. So you just make sure you minimize your AHA use. I use duduosun my body and not on my face because I have a sensitive skin and my face usually gets really sensitive if I use certain products. But if you have been using the product to work on your acne, your breakouts, your pimples, and you've been getting very good results, please keep using it. Do not discontinue. But however, if you need my candid advice, if you're using duduosun on your face, don't use any other alpha hydroxy acids on your face like glycolic acid, because duduosun already contains AHA, which is the lime in it. So if you're using the duduosun soap on your body and you notice any dryness, any itchy sensation, just observe the way your skin responds to the product. And the remedy for this is to go in for Aveeno moisturizing lotion, or even a very good Nivea moisturizing lotion, or CeraVe if I must recommend for you guys. So if you're using this product, make sure you're moisturizing, over moisturizing your body if I must. Any moisturizing lotion of your choice, as long as it contains dimethicone and any other skin repairing ingredient. I'm not going to deny the fact that some people have not been experiencing having an opposite reaction to the product, but the remedy for this situation is to use moisturizing lotion. You wash your body thoroughly and you rinse very well while on the soap. Otherwise, the duduosun is a fantastic African black soap. I would recommend this if you don't have a sensitive skin. You don't need a whole lot of other AHAs, alpha hydroxy acids in your skincare routine while you're using this product. A lot of us don't know this thing, so when we just get products, we use them and we add in other ingredients that just don't combine or work with product. If I give you guys my honest review, some people come to my channel and they're like, you said this product that, this product this. If you come to my channel every time and you want me to always tell you buy this, you don't want to sit and hear me and learn something, then that is where you're getting it all wrong. In this channel, I'm going to try as much as possible to talk about ingredients and give you my review. Not all products will I sit here and tell you is fantastic, and not all products will I sit here and tell you it's not bad. So, but for the duduosun, it's approved by me, but you have to use cautiously, especially on your face if you have a sensitive face, a sensitive skin. And if you must use on your body as a normal day soap, make sure you use it with the moisturizing lotion, especially if you experience dryness. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was entertaining as well as informational. I'll see you guys on my next video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Feel free to tell me your experience with the duduosun soap. I'm sure you must have had fantastic results. So I'll see you guys on my next video, and have a wonderful day.